Alright, y'all, man. Look, trying to get in here and being proactive, take some parts off so we can get straight to the video of replacing this stem right here. But I didn't literally strip this off in here and broke the bolt. Like, what in the world? So I'll be getting that out. It ain't one thing, it's another. I'm trying to tell y'all the little mini bike, but we gonna get it right. I was able to take off the other side because I just want to be able to have, you know, like I don't want to be pressing down on either side and bend these when I'm trying to get this out. So that's what we're trying to get right here. And zoom it in. That's what we're looking to take out, the valve stem right there, because it broke, and replace it. So with that, we're gonna have to go in here, bend this down, pop this one out, cut this one off, pop this one out, and be able to put the new one in. So I went and picked this up from Walmart, and I said it's a tubeless tire valve. Now let me explain this to y'all. Whole time I reading this fundamental, y'all. Tubeless. This whole time, y'all, I thought I needed a tube for this inner tube to be able to like replace this little valve right here. So I ain't know, I'm over here with old head, and we over here like, yo. I'm like, yo, I need this right here. I need to stop, go grab one of these inner tubes for this right here, cause the valve. And he like, I'm like, it say tubeless though. Can you put an inner tube in a tubeless? You know, I'm thinking like, you know, hey, we gonna make something work. Cause all I seen online is inner tube. Harbor Freight talking about this. All we got is 10-inch tube. I'm like, man, I'm about to take this up there, let them see which one fit. So the whole time he like, yo, you just need another valve stem. This is tubeless. So I look up Wally World and you already know what they got. So I go grab them. They was like $4. I'm like, the whole time I could have been back riding, but I ain't had this. So I go pick these up right here. So we're gonna replace this one. I guess one for the front and back. TR413. I don't know what all that means, you know, but hopefully it's the same fitting. It look like the same on here. Like, see if we can zoom in. We got 4-wheeler, lawnmower, and trailer. Alright, so I think that you know, we qualify. Shout out to Stanley's for over gripping. Now I will say why this broke off. One of these is stripped out. I think it's this one right here. No, it's that one. It's stripped out. So it was stripping out. I was like, all right, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I ain't gonna mess with it no more. And then tried to over here tighten this one back because this one loosened. And when I was tightening it back, it kept spinning. Well, it kept tightening. I'm like, nah, this that sprocket. I need this joint all the way tight. And then next thing you know, that joint came off like a spent this top. I was like, dang. So that's where we at. Like I said, so I flipped over. We were able to get the brake joint off. And just so I can have something solid on the bottom. I don't want to bend either one of these. So I don't know how I'm gonna post this camera up since I broke our little camera holder. So we're gonna figure this out, see how we can post this up, and get it in, replacing this valve stem, tubeless tire valve. All right, so yeah, with y'all in a second. All right, y'all. So we rigged up a little hold up. Let's see what we got. So first you're gonna want to cut this off, cut this old valve off. So just to get to it, I'm gonna try to this one's just ripping off, y'all. Alright, y'all, so Had to go find my little handy dandy. Don't mind the rust. We just trying to make it work. So we're gonna see it on the video and cut this joint off. Be careful when you're cutting toward yourself. Always. So I cut that off right there. Boom. Then I gotta push this joint through like this, push it down. I know you heard the change in the voice. That was a little real. Alright. And we're gonna need something to push it through. Or be able to pull it out, one of the two. So I got some pliers right here. Now, with this being such a small tire, people was using stuff to press down. I'm probably going to have to find something to press down on there, I ain't gonna lie. And with it being such a small tire, it's kind of hard. I'm thinking alright, so I just press it down a little bit so I can try to pull it out. Which I ain't gonna lie to you, this is harder than I thought. Definitely harder than I thought. I ain't trying to damage nothing. I did see somebody had this kind of technique, but I really ain't trying to damage the rim either. That hold that seal. Okay, I see where it was at. Let me grab another tool. Y'all hold for 1 second. Alright, y'all. So y'all already know I had to go grab a little handy dandy. A little something, man. Improvise. So what we gonna do? I'm gonna get this up under here and get up under that lip. It's a lip back there. And just trying to get up under that lip somewhere stable enough that I can grab this. Alright, I came too close. And you gotta be careful. I say you're dealing with the tire, everything. Be gentle. And I can barely. Might gotta get the needle nose for that. They've seen them joints too. Alright. I just moved it out the way basically with this. And I'm not really trying to drop it in here. Boom. So we got it out. Now, we just want to make sure this is cleaned out. Make sure the area is cool. I feel like a little friction right here on the side. I'm gonna try to find something, see if I can file it down a little bit, just make it smooth around that corner. So Again, give me a second. I'll be right back. Put this on pause. Alright, y'all. Don't grind me up. Don't grind me up. This all I could find, man. Some old sandpaper, man. So, don't grind me up. Don't grind me up. Let's see what this can do. This one, I'm sure it's smooth out the surface a little bit. Oh, whoa, that John did it. What grit this is. Oh, man, ain't got the grit on here. Might be like 32. In there. That did the job, man. So, unknown tools for the job. Number 1, sandpaper. 2, we got a pedal. A kickstand. Bike kickstand. Alright, so next thing we're going to need to do is, of course, put in our valve stems. The valve. Careful. So of course, like I said, I just need one right now. Now it does say, well, this don't say it. Oh man, we're gonna have some work to do. But they do say you want to take that out right there. And pumping it up and stuff, but I ain't even gonna worry about that. I ain't gonna lie. So they say you want to lube it up. I just got some vegetables, some little oil stuff. Ain't nothing special about it. I'm just about to put some on my finger and give it a little bit of lube up so it can slide through, lock in. So I think wasn't even nothing on it. That piece. Alright. So all I'm doing is just lubing. Getting a little bit of lube in the crease. That's it. Here come the hard part. Get the top back on this. This is 1, 2, 3. Get the top back on the 1, 2, 3 vegetable oil. Alright, so I guess here we go. We in there now. I'm gonna hold that. Alright, so we're gonna be, don't want no vegetable oil on the tire. So we slipping and sliding for real. Alright, so pressing this down. Let me get this back in here good. So now I'm trying to figure out how I can get this down. And look, it's taking 2 hands. I need both my hands. And to be able to push it through. Boom. So I'm gonna come back to y'all in a second. I gotta figure out how to make a contraption, push this down while I can put it through. Hold on, I might be able to. I don't laugh at my attire for the day. I'm here trying to get it. So I'm gonna try to use the double knee. Ow! The rim hitting inside my knee. Hopefully y'all ain't all up in my face. Okay, I think the double knee press for the win. Double knee press for the win. Alright, so now I just gotta pull this through. Which is this. Alright. So I got it in. Ain't that some stuff right there? And lost it in there trying to show y'all. Dang. Let me get this out. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So, I ain't know how I was gonna do it, but I got it done, y'all. I was able to pop this side off of the rim. So out came the valve stem. Here we go. I'm gonna clean this off. I don't know if I'm on camera or not. Y'all can see how I had this camera posted up, or y'all be like, yo. I got it literally tied onto my bike rack. Strap, I got it tied onto the strap on my bike rack, y'all. Tied on, zoomed in so y'all can see. Alright, so since we got this halfway off, hopefully y'all can see this. We basically, hopefully y'all can see this right here. So we're gonna put this right here. I'm gonna push it through as far as I can with my hand. Hopefully this ain't too big of a valve, or hopefully the hole ain't too small. Either way, work it through. And this is why they say you might want to put some lubricant on there. With the valve stem. Here we go with the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 vegetable oil. Try this again. Try to push it through, and it's supposed to be a special tool. You use to be able to pull up from this end. But come on this side. Let me go now. Hopefully I'm still in frame. I'm just gonna try to pull it through. Probably not the best way to do this, but that's not working. So one of these stems are too big. I'm trying to push it through everything. So we might be at a point where these stems are too big. Just gotta make it over and pop in. Thought it was trying to go in. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm probably gonna wind up taking this whole tire off this rim so I can work this, cause I'm just doing it the rigged up way. So, y'all bear with me. Alright, as y'all can see, it's got real tire off, rim off, sprocket still missing. So, alright, let's get down to it. Let's go ahead and put this, we're gonna get this valve stem in there. Since I got this right here.
Turn my headphones up.
Better too. Push this on. That might be pull-push combination. I remember like the Chinese thing. Halfway in. Oh, come on. Gotta pull this top side down. Come on. Literally half the side is in. Halfway in, y'all. Y'all see this? The stem is literally halfway in there. Alright. So,
Turn my headphones up.
I'm gonna sit here and lie to y'all. About to rig some stuff up. Somebody saying, is he hammering? Yeah. It might not be the best thing that's trying to force its way out. Come on. There we go. Everything looks like it's seated in there. Everything looks like it's perfectly seated. You'll feel it go in there too. We'll just hard to get a little valve on there, but perfectly seated. Like I said, I got this camera up that's sitting all kind of weird, so hopefully y'all can see it's in here. Oh, I almost fell back, y'all. Let's see if I can. Hopefully y'all can see. It's seated perfectly right here. It's seated in here all the way around. You got it seated in here. There we go. That's better for y'all to see. Perfectly seated. So we good to go. A little bit harder work taking the whole tire off, but we got what we needed. Put the cap back on. So other ones, they had the bent over the valve stem that's curved so that you can get on there, but we just gonna have to make this work. We'll make it work. Turn it like that, put the little thing on. Either way, So now we gotta put the tire back on. We good to go. Well, not good to go because we still broke that off. But now this is the hard part. I ain't gonna lie. One side in cool. Ouch. Now, gotta pull it back through. Doing like that. That's where it starts to get tricky at. Keeping everything in. Probably have to get back on here. You ever put any kind of tires on, you already know. Everything is trying to come out. So I don't want to mess this up, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna have to figure this one out and get back with y'all, but as y'all seen, we was able to put it on, put the valve stem on, which is the purpose of the video. Get it in, we'll get this tire on and we'll get this figured out and we'll be good to go. So appreciate y'all watching. I know. Alright, so let me bring y'all up to speed, man. Of course, I told y'all this right here, broke the thing off in it. So gotta try to get that out. In order to get the plug in, the valve in, I had to take the whole tire off. So we about to try to run in here, try to see if they can get this out for me and try to get this on. So I'll get back with y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, so we just dropped off the tire and they gon' y'all tell me in the comments, like $40-$45 quote to retap, or he gonna get the bolt out, and then he gonna retap it, and then put the tire back on the rim and pump it back up, like $40-$45 estimate. So y'all let me know in the comments that's a good price or nah, but we running with it. I want it done right. So we dropped it off at the spot. They said like a couple hours. We're gonna pick it back up. We should be ready to go. Mini back in motion. So y'all stay tuned. Give y'all a little update. And back with y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all. We just walked in. They got the tire for us. Got it. Look. They got us right in here. Put the Loctite on them. Got us right. We are back. We back blown up, ready to go, y'all. So hey, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. We'll be back riding soon. Hey, it's been a journey on this one. I ain't gonna lie. So y'all stay tuned. Number 10256. We back ready to rock. Put that back on there, ready to go. All right, we back, man. It's probably like 2 days later. Hopefully I can get some of the video through. Y'all seen I didn't put the valve stem in there, dropped it in the tire, had to take the whole tire off the rim, to get the valve stem, everything out and in. The old one out, the new one that fell in the tire, had to get that out and be able to put it in. And y'all see, I broke off the I broke the one of the bolts off into the rim itself. You know, so it's been a crazy little headache trying to get this tire situated, but we are back together, y'all. We back together. Got the new, which one is it? They had to screw the old one out, retap it with another bolt, a little bit different. So we got two the same, one different on here, but it's solid. Ain't going nowhere. Got these back on here. Tire is solid. We're good to go. So y'all see the little number on here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this back on the bike and get back rolling, y'all. So I said I want to bring this to y'all, bring y'all on a journey with me. So I took all these off. Anybody working on bikes, if you're not mechanically inclined, it's always good just to put your bolts back on anything that you're working on. So wash this. Dang. Let's see if I have a washer over there. Get all up in the video like that. It's raining here, y'all. Weather don't know what it want to do here in Georgia. Let me see if I got this other wash over here. Hold on. Alright, so I ain't seen no wash over there, so we're gonna get back to it. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see this. I got the camera set up. Alright. So I got the camera set up. Now what you gotta do is you gotta feed it through the hole. Make sure you got okay. I'm trying to go through. Came up this way. There we go. Just trying to make sure I get this in here, y'all. Y'all bear with me. If you have a rubber mallet, that'll probably be good, but I'm just gonna put this rag over the top. There we go. And you want to be gentle with your stuff, y'all. Be gentle with it. So I got it all the way through. With those two little, I don't know what these like PVC maybe. Stick those on both sides. Maybe the washer went on this side. I don't know, a washer was on one side, not both of them. So I'm just gonna, and just putting them on there, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't know if this going outside. Alright, now get this up in these brake pads. Hopefully I don't mess this up, y'all. Hopefully I ain't giving y'all too much glare. I need this little light. There we go. There we go. Man, we doing something now. We doing something. Alright. I'm gonna get it pretty centered. forward a little bit. Chain on. Oh, no wonder. No wonder. So over here on now somebody, like I said, I don't work on bikes or nothing like that. So on this side it got like a little slot. It's got like a little slot on this side you want to slide the bolt into. I guess pretty much. So I'm gonna slide the bolt all the way to the left side so that you can push it up and align it right inside that little bolt hole. And now everything's making sense. So I'm gonna turn this off just in case that was affecting anything. Then if you see, it's got like a little, you know what I mean? You wanna line that up on the inside as well. Make sure I ain't lying, y'all. Yeah, nah, that's right. Then you just wanna loosen these up and put your ends back on there. And make sure that the chain and stuff not coming loose. You like your chain, you like your tensioners. Back that all the way out. It might be the other way around than what I just told you. Let me see. I'm gonna actually go with the having facing in. So have it swooping in like that. Have these facing the inside. So the right side gonna face like this and the left side will face like that. I don't know if y'all can see this. It's a 10 millimeter. It's a 10 millimeter for the tensioner. I'm just hand tightening real quick so I can get stuff lined up. Boom. Oh, I didn't get it on there. So guess what I gotta do? Take it off. Wow. Moving too fast. Oh, guess who excited? Me. Push it back through. Pull it back. Dang, this shit took it off. Back up. Boom. Got your piece in there. Face the inside. Tighten your tensioner bolt. That chain should be able to go on. Chain on. For the most part. I got it sitting up on this little piece. Boom. And just that little bit right there, and I pulled it back. to put this tensioner in place. Tighten it up. I've seen the chain tighten up already. Same process, gonna tighten this up by hand real quick. I don't want the chain too tight. A lot of boat room on there. I don't know, something ain't right about this, y'all. Might have had it right the first time, have it flipping the other way. Let me see. The boat just don't like this sitting on there right. Guess I had this one flipped the wrong way. Alright, so all we got left is tighten the bolts up. Tighten up the outside bolts. You should be good to go. Y'all don't mind my car. I'm literally just on super chill this weather, raining. Over tighten anything on here. Uh-oh. Tighten. Uh-oh, we can't. Alright, so we gonna see. I said weather kind of crazy outside right now, but I think we are pretty much good to go. Tighten up the brakes a little bit, but get that situated. Yeah, we get all that situated, but so that's the install, you guys. Getting the back tire back in, like I said, the air, the stem. Now, if you got a PocketBike, you guys, the 49cc PocketBike, they are tubeless inner tires. I don't know about all of them, but this one right here with a tubeless inner tire. If you got the racing slicks on there, probably 9 times out of 10 you got the tubeless tires. So if you running out of air, your stuff going flat, check your stem, your valve stem on there. Make sure that's good. Make sure it's not leaking. It's holding air. If it is, Walmart got them for like $4. All right. Maybe I'll put it. Maybe I'll pin it in the video. But make sure you go out there and get out here and ride, you guys. If you got it, tubeless tire, place the stem on there, stem valve on there. If you don't know how to do it, take it to a professional. Probably charge you like $50 to get it back together, maybe less. Tire shop. but it's not hard work. I say take your bolts off, take your tensioner off, push the bolt through, take your chain off, let it out the brake, release caliper, drop it out, and just be cautious with your wheel, your rim itself, because it's not no hard metal, nothing like that. So be cautious. You should be good to go. Reverse that, put it back on. You should be good to go. So make sure you hit that like button. If you got something from it, hit the comments. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hope to see you on the next one. Hey, we're gonna go out here and get this guy running. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, bring y'all along on the first ride. What's this? My glasses. Try to bring y'all on this ride. Got the I'm on the mini right now, so I'm gonna start it up. Homie got the 4-wheeler back there. Oh boy! Aggressive snatch of the chain of the full start. Put your foot in. Put your knee in there. So. Yeah, I pulled it so hard, I'm gonna flip. Uh-oh, got that pizza. Don't be crazy. Baby.